Big breaking news coming in. Nirav Modi is going to be extradited. The UK court has rejected Nirav Modi's appeal. So Nirav Modi will be on his way to India soon. The timeline is something that we will find out from Manish Pandey, who will join us on this broadcast, and what the protocol is really. But this is a big win coming in for India. Fugitive Nirav Modi, remember, he cheated the country, the taxpayers of thousands of crores. He took refuge in London, and now fugitive Nirav Modi is going to be extradited. What the process is going to be, what the timeline looks like, is something that our reporter will be joining us in moments from now to get us up to speed with the very latest on that. But it is a big win. For the UK court has rejected Nirav Modi's appeal, and that means that he's going to be extradited to India very soon. So it's a win coming in for India, big one while at it, because there are this is a case of fraud and money laundering against Nirav Modi, and now he will be extradited. That's a big win coming in. Manish Pandey breaking the story first on India Today joins us. Manish, this is a big win for India. The UK court rejecting Nirav Modi's appeal, which means Nirav Modi is going to be on his way back to India. But big question here, Manish, is what is the protocol and the timeline, and when will he be extradited? What's the process next?
I think this is a big win for the Indian government and the investigative agencies, that is the Central Bureau of Investigation and the Enforcement Directorate. Remember, earlier the court, the Westminster Court, had ordered extradition of Nirav Modi. It was based on the evidence which was submitted by the Enforcement Directorate and Central Bureau of Investigation in connection to the Punjab National Bank fraud case worth more than 13,000 crore rupees. Against that extradition order by the UK's Westminster Court, Nirav Modi had filed an appeal before UK's High Court, and that we have been given to understand is that appeal has been rejected. It has not been accepted by the High Court, which means that now the extradition files of Nirav Modi will be sent back to the Home Office of United Kingdom, and then the Home Office will coordinate with the Indian agencies to extradite Nirav Modi. Now, remember, it is not going to be a very smooth operation as far as extradition is concerned, because remember, Nirav Modi may again try to file another appeal before the High Court. Even if that application is not filed by Nirav Modi before the High Court, then also the Home Office of United Kingdom, they have to decide when to extradite Nirav Modi, because in past cases, what we have seen in Vijay Mallya's case, Vijay Mallya also lost the appeal from the High Court. He was ordered to be extradited to India, but till date we have not seen any further movement in that case. But as far as Nirav Modi is concerned, in this case the evidence are very strong, and there is a pressure from the Indian agencies on UK authorities also to act on it, and this is why we are expecting that the Indian agencies or the Indian government would like to open all the channels so that Nirav Modi can be extradited back to India.
I just want to tell you, Manish, that, last month the focus completely shifted as far as this case is concerned, because from the actual fraud and money laundering charges, it went to a test of whether it's going to be appropriate or not to have him extradited to India in view of his fragile mental health. So now when he's made this particular appeal and the court has rejected the appeal, this means that there can be no further appeal from Nirav's side?
Well, Kathy, as far as the Nirav Modi is concerned, Nirav Modi had given this defense before the High Court that he is suffering from some mental illness. If he is extradited to India, then the medical condition of Nirav Modi is as such that he won't be able to survive in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail. Then there was a video, and a team prepared a report which was submitted by the UK court, but UK court also said at that point of time that the medical facility given by Tihar jail is good enough for Nirav Modi. Nirav Modi again filed an appeal saying that he has a suicidal tendency. If he is sent to Arthur Road jail or in India, then he will be lynched and he may commit suicide. But all these grounds of Nirav Modi has been rejected by the court. The court has said that yes, he is having some mental illness problem. He is suffering from mild depression. But as far as the case is concerned, it is important for a person like Nirav Modi to be extradited back to India because he has committed a crime, not only defrauding the Punjab National Bank of India, but also criminal conspiracy, threatening the witnesses in the case. So that
and
is
you
why
know, look at the value of the crime. 13,000 crore rupees fraud is not a small amount at all. And Munish, this is of course a big win after win coming in, because just a day back, if I'm not mistaken, we broke the story about how the UK court ordered Sanjay Bhandari's extradition also, and just a day later we're getting this news that it's a big win for India as far as Nirav Modi is concerned.
Absolutely, Chaiti. There is no doubt about the fact that there was good amount of evidence which was submitted by the Enforcement Directorate and the Central Bureau of Investigation. CBI was pursuing the criminal conspiracy committed by Nirav Modi for defrauding the bank. But as far as ED is concerned, not only they submitted evidence in regards to the criminal conspiracy, but also in regards to the money laundering which was committed by the diamantaire. As far as Westminster Court is concerned, remember earlier he was extradited. The order was given by the UK's Westminster Court, that is a trial court in UK, that Nirav Modi should be extradited to India. But again, Nirav Modi opted for a legal option. Then the matter went to High Court, and finally today, just 2 days after Sanjay Bhandari was extradited, the order came by the court that Sanjay Bhandari should be extradited to India. Now again a major win, not only for Indian government but the Indian agencies, that Nirav Modi, one of the prime accused in 13,000 crore bank fraud case, should be sent back to India, because here he has to face the law.
So, you know, Munish, before we let you go, 3 people that India is awaiting eagerly to have them back, and the extradition is something that has been a big win for the country, the government, the investigative agencies. 1, Vijay Mallya; 2, Nirav Modi; 3rd, of course, is Sanjay Bhandari as well. Now, has India asked the UK to expedite all their extraditions? What is the procedure going to be like going forward?
As far as the official procedure is concerned, now the court has given the order. The order copy will be sent to UK's Home Office, that is the Home Ministry of United Kingdom. The Home Ministry will decide that how and when Nirav Modi should be sent back to India. Now then there will be communication between the Indian authorities and UK authorities, and Nirav Modi will be, a set of officers will go to UK and they will bring back Nirav Modi to India. That is the official procedure. But as far as extradition is concerned, remember, it also depends on the relationship between the two countries, the diplomatic relationship between the two countries.